I'm Tim Costantino, VP and Head of Product. I am really excited about this upcoming major release and the path that it sets for our journey going forward. Our goal is to make AdvancedMD the partner that you trust with software that is easy to use, flexible, fast, and accurate. It's my hope that this upcoming release continues our goal of removing friction for you, your staff, and patients. We are here to help. Any feedback that you have is greatly appreciated to help us improve the effectiveness of the Rhythm software solution.
I'm Christine Duncan, Group Product Manager over our Practice Management, Reporting, and Platform products. Today we'll be reviewing our Practice Management Card Framework. It's very similar to our EHR Card Framework and Shell. This is the Card Framework. Patient search is faster, and we're making it consistent across all areas of our Rhythm suite. The experience matches our EHR and will soon be available in our scheduler. It's much easier to find the correct patient. Photos immediately appear as well as key demographics. We've removed tabs on the bottom, and here on the left, you have a managed environment to show and hide panels. Here are the new mini cards. You can see the most important data points across patient demographics. Key areas like responsible party can be set to your top view. Mark Byrne is the responsible party. He has family members linked to his account, wife Sarah and daughter Megan. You can see historic statement and payment information and current balance. You can set your cards to appear on the left or the right. Later this year, expect to see 2 new cards. The referral card lets you add multiple authorizations to a visit. We've updated the user experience on our marketing card. A new system default lets you choose to require email for the patient and responsible party. A key benefit is you can increase email notifications to responsible parties. You can now require MPI numbers to be included in the referring provider master file. This helps reduce claim rejections. We've simplified the allowable fee schedules. You can now associate an allowable fee schedule to each carrier on the carrier master file. The carrier takes priority over the existing allowable fee schedule tied to the financial class. Managing invoices and payments for entity care is now consolidated. You can manage all your charges before creating your invoice. You can update an invoice when your balances or ICD codes have changed from your original charges. We designed our new Payment Reconciliation Center to match insurance deposits from your bank statement to the ERAs received. This informs your payment posting staff which payments have been reconciled and which are ready to post.
I'm John Dinchak, Senior Product Manager over our patient engagement products. COVID-19 has impacted the care delivery paradigm. It has altered the way practices are treating patients, communicating with patients, and it has an impact on their revenue. My patient experience team and I understand these challenges, and during this release cycle, we quickly pivoted to focus our resources to help ease the challenges facing your practice and patients. We created a cross-functional COVID-19 response team. This group is able to triage issues quickly, add support internally to successfully scale telehealth trainings, and provide patient-facing training materials. We have also improved telehealth stability, increased performance, and reduced friction. We improved the telehealth experience by increasing the buffer for managing patient no-shows. There's now a refresh button and a checkbox to hide completed visits. This checkbox gives a cleaner look as well as improves loading. We are releasing one of our most requested features, collecting copays from a telehealth visit. You can now collect a fixed copay or a flat fee before the visit starts. This aligns with recent CMS changes regarding telehealth billing. Telehealth is a great way to expand the reach of your practice, improve patient experience, and increase practice revenue. Patient self-scheduling tools include online scheduling and new patient intake. These are valuable additions for high-volume practices, especially if you have reduced staff. You can more effectively minimize phone calls. New patients are matched to the appropriate providers and appointments. We streamlined the end-to-end intake process, making it easier and faster for you and patients. Patient self-scheduling is more intuitive. Smart filters are configured to match patients with appropriate providers, facilities, and carriers. You can avoid confusion and costly delays by ensuring patient insurance matches what you accept. Patients can now select their preferred language. You can gather valuable information on how your patients learned about your practice. It's easier to set up and manage how you pre-screen patients. A health checker guides you to the areas that need to be set up for intake and online scheduling. It's easier to learn, train, and use, reducing your time to implement. The Intake Provider Setup Master File offers filtering for appointment type, facility, and carrier. Intake work lists include additional filtering, like patient search and user sticky settings. It's easier to see and manage patient notes with this additional patient information. We've made all of this information available with more control and fewer keystrokes. We added new intake features to online scheduling, including additional filtering and the ability to link your acceptable insurance carriers. Existing patients now see their default provider as the initial provider of choice. We added email, phone, and SMS validation to improve patient communication accuracy.
I'm Craig Cooper, Group Product Manager over our clinical and mobile products. Much of our focus with this release is on regulatory changes and requirements. We've improved our clinical and mobile workflow to give you faster access and better visibility. The EHR dashboard is our smart dashboard that helps you stay on top of items that matter most to you and your practice. Here, you can prioritize and manage daily tasks in one place. We are introducing a new donut to conveniently manage patient inbound continuity of care documents from providers and facilities outside your practice. This donut promotes care coordination and helps you satisfy interoperability measure requirements. Incoming CIE, also known as CCD or CDA messages, are matched automatically to existing patients. Those with upcoming appointments are prioritized and highlighted on the work list, along with the sending provider and the date the message was received. Filters are available to narrow your work list to a specific provider or patient. From the work list, you can easily import the document while adding medications, problems, and allergies directly to the patient chart. This same smart dashboard in our EHR is now available on our mobile app, giving you this powerful tool on the go. This is the new homepage for the app. The mobile dashboard allows you to be aware of outstanding tasks and items wherever you are. Save time by accessing information-dense donut graphs and work lists from one convenient place. Manage messages, unsigned chart items, medication refill requests, and so much more right from your Apple device. The addition of the dashboard also brings new features, including work lists for clinical decision support and access to your online reviews through our reputation management. There's never been a better time to consider incorporating mobile into your modern practice. We are introducing a new mobile app that gives you the same robust management control you have on the desktop. Receive system status alerts in real time, gain access to user management to easily reset a user password, manage user access, and add or remove users in your Office key.